Hi all, very good morning. So welcome to day 3 of the 30-day Reel Challenge. So what do you mean by working smarter or working harder? Let's just dive deep into this and get some info.
Yeah, so as busy professionals like we were, we always believed earning money is like you have to work harder. And I was always being told like you need to work harder, harder, harder so that you can save some money for the future retirement and you won't have to depend on kids. But what I realized is, especially at this time of like inflation and post COVID, people were all affected with what was going on around, and that's when we were looking for plan B. And paycheck to paycheck was very difficult because we were doing long hours, overtime, opposite shifts, and we were hardly able to achieve some time together, especially after having Hazel. We didn't want to have the same phase of life that we have been through. So that's when we were looking for plan B post COVID, and we came across this business. And I would say it turned to be a blessing for us. So the first thing, whenever somebody sees us or meet us or message us, the first thing they ask is, oh, you guys are traveling all the time, or you're again on a vacation. But people who ask those questions, they won't realize that we chose a smarter way of working. So we do have our job at one side, but we started this business as a side hustle 3 years back. So this side hustle has helped us to achieve this vacation time. If you see us traveling all the time, it is because our system is working at the background, even while we are sleeping, even when we are on vacations or resting. This system is working at the background because this online business has a 90% automation. It is that 10% of training that you will have to do. So that's the reason that we have more time now. We have managed to do a part-time jobs now with this business. So this all achievement, I would say, it's all because of this business. When you're working under someone, you're working for their dreams or their company. But when you are doing a business, you're working or building up your own empire. And that's where you need to realize you are your own boss. If you have a business at the background which is not traditional, wherein you don't have to be physically there, this is a right option. And people who have kids who want to pass on this business, just think about it. If it's a traditional business, not every kid would like to take forward those traditional business. But if it's an online business, especially with the evolution that is happening, digital environment and digital community, all the kids are on the computers and internet all the time. This is the best option because they can take it over and they can flourish in this.
Exactly.
So yeah,
Because obviously this is the world of digitalization. Everyone is making use of this online space technologies to earn money. So why not get into it and work smarter? Yeah. So obviously, if you're more curious to know about it, and if you want to come out of this grind of working harder every time, and if you're curious to know more about it, we have attached our website below. So just watch the complimentary webinar, and you'll get an information about it.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Then thank you. Bye bye.